There are only a few places in the world considered to be as amazing and wonderful as the Amazon rainforest. Its jungles are home to 1 in 10 remarkable creatures in the world and 1 in 5 of all the fascinating birds on the earth. We are still far from fully investigating the Amazon forest, yet every day we are surprised by the amazing finds therein. Get ready to be amazed, surprised, and grossed out. How well do we know the Amazon forest? What exactly are the mystifying creatures in the forest? Join us as we explore the 15 strangest things recorded in the Amazon. Number 15. The Lost City of Giants. The quest for the mythical city of El Dorado, a city purportedly abundant in gold, led countless Spanish explorers into the uncharted territories of the Amazon, many of whom never returned. This enduring legend persisted into the 20th century when British explorer Percy Fawcett embarked on a mission to find what he believed was the lost city of Z, only to disappear into the jungle himself, contributing another chapter to a saga that commenced 600 years prior. However, the narrative has recently evolved with a groundbreaking discovery that ancient urban centers did indeed thrive in the Amazon. The challenge of locating these urban ruins hidden within dense, remote forests has been revolutionized by modern technology. Utilizing light detection and ranging technology from a helicopter flying 650 feet above the ground, scientists have managed to digitally deforest the canopy, uncovering the ancient remains of a significant urban settlement in the Llanos de Mojos region of the Bolivian Amazon, deserted around 600 years ago. The newly revealed imagery showcases the remnants of the Sarab culture, dating back to around 5400 CE, marked by urban centers adorned with monumental platforms and pyramid structures. A network of raised causeways link these centers to a series of suburban settlements, extending for miles through a landscape meticulously engineered with an elaborate water management system, including reservoirs and canals. This discovery confirms that numerous lost cities still lie concealed within the Amazon's depths, silently awaiting their moment of discovery. Number 14. The Jesus Lizard. The Jesus lizard, named not because it resembles Jesus Christ but because it has the incredible ability to walk on water, thrives in the lush tropical rainforests of Central America, stretching from southern Mexico all the way to Panama. These green basilisks spend a good deal of their lives in the trees, always staying close to water. When danger looms, they can leap from a branch into the water and dart across the surface at an impressive speed of about 5 feet per second. This remarkable feat is made possible by their long toes on the hind feet, equipped with fringe-like flaps of skin that spread out in the water, vastly increasing the area of contact. As they furiously paddle, their feet strike the water with enough force to create tiny air pockets, preventing them from sinking as long as they keep up their momentum, allowing them to glide over the water for distances of 15 feet or more. Eventually, gravity catches up, but the basilisk switches to its adept swimming abilities to escape danger. Part of the iguana family, these green basilisks can grow to around 2 feet in length, tail included, with males sporting striking crests on their heads and backs to attract females. When it's time to nest, the females dig a shallow trench, lay up to 20 eggs, and then depart, leaving the eggs to fend for themselves. Upon hatching, the young are already capable of running on land and water, climbing, and swimming. As omnivores, green basilisks feast on a mix of plants, fruits, and small vertebrates. Though they are widespread and face no significant threats, natural predators like snakes and birds ensure these fascinating lizards remain vigilant. Known for their speed, the basilisk lizard truly lives up to its legendary name. Number 13. Strange creature seen on beach. In a captivating turn of events, an enigmatic white entity emerged from the depths of the ocean, finding its way onto the picturesque shores adjacent to the dense Amazon forest. This peculiar sight was quickly captured on video, setting the online world abuzz with intrigue and speculation. The footage showcased the mysterious creature lying inert on the sandy beach, its stark white form contrasting sharply against the natural backdrop, sparking both fascination and a touch of apprehension among viewers. The creature's unfamiliar appearance left many to wonder if it heralded from the realms of the unknown or represented a species yet to be discovered by marine science. As the video went viral, it ignited a global conversation filled with various hypotheses and imaginative theories, drawing the attention of both the public and the scientific community. Researchers and scientists eagerly delved into the debate, each bringing their expertise to bear in the hopes of shedding light on the nature of this peculiar being. Its distinctive characteristics only served to deepen the enigma, prompting widespread speculation about its origins and the reasons for its sudden appearance on shore. The world watched with bated breath for any elucidation from experts familiar with the Amazon's rich and diverse ecosystem. Esteemed biologists and marine scientists scrutinized the video evidence, applying their comprehensive understanding of marine biology in an attempt to demystify the presence of this extraordinary creature. Early assessments cautiously entertained the notion that it might be a previously unknown species, an astonishing find suggesting the ocean's depths still harbor secrets awaiting discovery. However, alongside these exhilarating prospects of new discoveries, there lingered suggestions that the creature might be a known entity, albeit in a form never before observed. This incident underscored the ocean's vast and uncharted territories, reminding humanity of its enduring mystery and the continuous quest for knowledge in the face of nature's boundless wonders. Number 12. A dead whale. The Amazon, known as one of Earth's final frontiers of exploration, constantly surprises us. Each expedition seems to uncover something new, whether ancient ruins or unique wildlife. However, setting aside the usual discoveries for a moment, there's been a particularly astonishing find: a dead humpback whale in the middle of the Amazon rainforest, far from its natural oceanic home. This 36-foot-long whale carcass presents a mystery that has left everyone baffled, as it was found well outside its expected habitat with no clear explanation for its presence there. Naturally, this has sparked a flurry of theories, as is common with any unexplained phenomenon. Despite the speculation, there remains no definitive answer. The whale, weighing 10 tons, was discovered in a wooded area of Brazil, approximately 50 feet from the sea. Considering the logistics, it's hard to imagine how such a massive creature could end up so far from the ocean, let alone in the forest. Scientists speculate that extreme weather conditions, such as rough seas and high tides, might have launched the majestic beast from its aquatic home into the woodland. A team of experts has been dispatched to the scene, hoping to unravel the mystery of how this unfortunate event occurred. Number 11. The Lost Tribes of the Amazon. In the vast expanse of the Amazon, the existence of uncontacted tribes has long been a subject of fascination and speculation. On a day marked by clear skies, Ilana Martinez embarked on an exploratory journey into the Amazon's depths aboard a single-engine Cessna 172K. Departing from an airstrip near Colombia's capital, Bogotá, she was accompanied by Roberto Franco, a Colombian expert on Amazonian tribes, Cristobal von Rothkirch, a Colombian photographer, and an experienced pilot. Crammed into the aircraft's small four-seat compartment, Martinez and Franco were armed with a large topographical map of Rio Po National Park. This park, sprawling over 2.47 million acres, is a labyrinth of dense jungle, muddy rivers, creeks, and is home to jaguars, wild peccaries, and, they believed, several isolated groups of indigenous people. As Martinez now serves as the administrator at the headquarters of Macaw National Park, located beside the Amazon River, she recalls the intensity of a rainstorm that pounded the tin roof of the building. The mission she and Franco undertook that day felt akin to searching for a needle in a haystack. For years, tales from adventurers and hunters hinted at the existence of an uncontacted tribe nestled between the Caqueta and Putumayo rivers deep within Colombia's Amazonian heart. In response, Colombia established Rio Po National Park in 2002 with the intent of providing a sanctuary for these hidden tribes. However, without precise knowledge of their location, the protection offered by the government remained largely symbolic, highlighting the challenges and the delicate balance of safeguarding those who live in the world's most remote and untouched frontiers. Number 10. The Deadly Poison Dart Frog. The tiny poison dart frog may appear adorable, but don't let its size fool you. This creature harbors toxins potent enough to kill multiple humans. Residing in the dense tropical rainforests of Central and South America, these small, vividly colored amphibians belong to the Dendrobatidae family, boasting over 175 species as noted by the San Francisco Zoo. With their diminutive size, ranging from 1 to 2 inches, poison dart frogs break the mold of typical amphibian behavior by being diurnal, actively exploring their environment during daylight, as highlighted by the Rainforest Alliance. The name, poison dart frog, comes from the lethal toxins they produce, which indigenous tribes have historically utilized to poison the tips of hunting darts and arrows. For centuries, the Embera and Noanima indigenous peoples in western Colombia have applied the secretions from the golden poison frog's skin to their blowgun darts, a practice that underscores the frog's deadly nature. Often referred to as the rainforest's jewels due to their bright hues, poison dart frogs' colors serve as a warning to predators about their toxicity, a phenomenon known as aposematism. However, these colors aren't just for show. Some species, like the dying dart frog, use their striking yellow and black patterns not only as a warning but also as camouflage, blending seamlessly with their surroundings when viewed from afar. This dual purpose of their vibrant colors and patterns was detailed in a 2018 study published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, showcasing the intricate balance between visibility and concealment in their survival strategy. Number 9. The electric killer. If you thought poison dart frogs were the pinnacle of danger in the diverse ecosystem of the Amazon, get ready for a revelation that might just electrify your perception. Electric eels, despite their misleading name, are not eels at all. Their lineage is more closely related to that of carp and catfish. These aquatic creatures are renowned for their ability to unleash formidable electrical charges, a feature that has made them one of the most fascinating predators in freshwater habitats. Electric eels possess specialized electric organs containing around 6,000 electrocytes, cells that function similarly to tiny batteries, storing and releasing electrical energy. When these creatures feel threatened or are in the process of hunting, they can release a synchronized burst of electricity, delivering a shock of at least 600 volts. This is enough to stun their prey or deter potential predators, and they're capable of producing shocks up to 900 volts, vastly outpowering the standard electrical output of a U.S. wall socket. Inhabiting the dim waters of the Amazon and Orinoco basins in South America, electric eels feed on a diet that includes fish, amphibians, and occasionally birds and small mammals. Despite being powerful electric generators, these eels are obligate air breathers, necessitating frequent trips to the water surface to breathe. Their vision is relatively poor, but they compensate for this with the ability to emit low-level electric charges under 10 volts, which they use similarly to radar. This bioelectrogenesis allows them to navigate their murky environment and detect prey with precision. Electric eels are remarkable not only for their electrical capabilities but also for their size. They can grow to substantial lengths of over 8 feet and weigh up to 44 pounds. Their bodies are long and cylindrical with flattened heads, and they typically display a dark green or grayish coloration on their dorsal side, contrasting with the lighter, yellowish belly. This combination of stealth, power, and size makes the electric eel a truly electrifying presence in the waters of the Amazon, adding another layer of wonder to this rich and mysterious ecosystem. Number 8. The geoglyphs. In an era where the mysteries of the ancient world continue to fascinate, scientists have made a groundbreaking discovery that adds a new layer to our understanding of prehistoric human ingenuity. Utilizing advanced satellite technology, researchers have uncovered the existence of geoglyphs in the Mato Grosso state of Brazil. These geoglyphs, essentially large artworks etched onto the earth by arranging or altering natural materials like stones and soil, have captivated the imagination of the scientific community and the public alike. Reported by National Geographic, these geoglyphs were likely utilized for ceremonial purposes, though the exact reasons behind their creation remain a subject of ongoing investigation. By harnessing satellite imagery, scientists were able to identify and examine 24 structures initially suspected to be geoglyphs. To their astonishment, all 24 were confirmed to be genuine, propelling the team to widen their scope of research. Their persistence paid off as they eventually identified a total of 81 geoglyphs within their study area. The revelation didn't stop there. The researchers estimate that an astounding 1,300 geoglyphs dot the landscape of southern Amazonia. Further investigation revealed a complex network of pathways linking approximately 1,500 villages, some dating back to around 1250 AD. Despite the widespread distribution of these earthworks across southern Amazonia, the discovery suggests a once-connected community sharing similar lifestyles over an expanse of approximately 1,100 miles. This discovery raises intriguing questions about the socio-cultural dynamics of the region during the period of the geoglyphs' creation. Scientists believe these geoglyphs were constructed during dry seasons, which would have facilitated the clearing of land. The meticulous planning, labor, and knowledge required to create these elaborate formations are a testament to the advanced skills and organizational capabilities of the ancient civilizations that inhabited the Amazon. The uncovering of these geoglyphs not only expands our understanding of human history in the Amazon, but also challenges previous notions about the ways in which ancient societies interacted with their environment. It reveals a landscape once thought to be untouched by human hands as being profoundly shaped by complex, sophisticated cultures. This captivating discovery opens up new avenues for research and deepens our appreciation for the ingenuity and resilience of ancient civilizations in one of the world's most biodiverse regions. Number 7. A giant snake. While the film Anaconda might have stretched the truth with its portrayal of gigantic snakes benefiting from a life-extending plant, it did correctly place the anaconda within its natural habitat, the Amazon rainforest. These formidable reptiles are indeed among the Amazon's most impressive inhabitants. The movie's depiction of a community revering the anaconda isn't entirely off the mark either. The Guarani people of Ecuador, although not worshippers, hold the anaconda in high esteem, viewing it as a sacred entity and thus refraining from harming it, despite the snake's notorious reputation as a formidable predator. Belonging to the boa family, the South American green anaconda is recognized as the heaviest snake globally, outmatching even the slightly longer reticulated python due to its significant girth. Green anacondas can reach lengths of over 29 feet, weigh upwards of 550 pounds, and measure more than 12 inches in diameter, with females typically outgrowing males. Other, smaller species of anaconda, the yellow, dark-spotted, and Bolivian, are also native to South America but don't grow as large as their green counterpart. Anacondas are most at home in the water, inhabiting swamps, marshes, and slow-moving rivers within the Amazon and Orinoco Basin's lush tropical rainforests. Their aquatic lifestyle is aided by having their eyes and nasal openings positioned on top of their heads, allowing them to ambush prey while remaining nearly fully submerged. Their diet is as diverse as it is impressive, including wild pigs, deer, birds, turtles, capybaras, caimans, and even jaguars. As non-venomous constrictors, they rely on their powerful coils to suffocate their prey before consuming it whole, thanks to their jaws connected by stretchy ligaments. After a substantial meal, an anaconda can go weeks or even months without eating again. The reproductive habits of anacondas are also unique. Instead of laying eggs like most reptiles, female anacondas give birth to live young, with litters consisting of 2 to 3 dozen offspring. These newborns, approximately 2 feet long at birth, are immediately capable of swimming and hunting. Anacondas have an average lifespan of about 10 years in the wild, contributing to the mystique and fascination surrounding these apex predators of the Amazon. Number 6. The walking trees. While it might seem straight out of a fantasy novel, the Amazon rainforest, ever full of wonders, hosts a palm tree that walks, in a way reminiscent of the Ents from Tolkien's Lord of the Rings. This tree, known as the Socratia exoryza or the walking palm, engages in a slow but fascinating journey across the forest floor. It achieves this by growing new roots in the direction it wishes to move towards sunlight, while the older roots gradually lift into the air and die off. This process, while slow, with some suggesting it moves just 2 or 3 centimeters per day, symbolizes a remarkable adaptation to its environment. The concept of the walking palm first entered scientific discussions in 1980 through John H. Bodley's work, published in a journal by the Association for Tropical Biology and Conservation. Bodley noted the palm's unique method of moving from its germination point, especially if displaced by a fallen tree, showcasing an evolutionary strategy to overcome environmental challenges. More recently, Peter Versansky, a paleobiologist, reported witnessing this phenomenon, adding a layer of first-hand observation to the tale. However, the notion of a walking palm has been met with skepticism. Gerardo Avalos conducted a thorough study and concluded that the tree does not actually walk, as its roots do not move post-growth. This skepticism stems from the tree's unusual root system, which, unlike other trees, extends from the base and remains above ground, adapting over time through erosion and regrowth. Beyond the intriguing case of the walking palm, the Amazon serves as a vast repository of medicinal plants, underscoring the potential health benefits lying untapped in nature. Of the more than 130,000 plant species in the Amazon, only about 5,000 have been tested for medicinal properties, yet those studied have already contributed to over 95 healthcare products, including aspirin, derived from the bark and leaves of the willow tree. This vast potential underscores the importance of exploring and understanding the natural world as the Amazon continues to offer invaluable resources for medical and scientific advancement. Number 5. The boiling river. Imagine a river so scorching that merely falling into it could be lethal. This isn't the stuff of legend but a reality in the Amazon, where such a river, believed to be the dwelling of a formidable Amazonian water spirit, exists. Known as Shanaitimpischka, which translates loosely to boiling with the heat of the sun, this river's existence was once a tale told by a Peruvian grandfather to his grandson, Andrés Russo. Russo, who grew up to become a geophysicist, was inspired by these stories to uncover the truth. Driven by curiosity and equipped with scientific tools, Russo embarked on a quest that led him to create a thermal map of Peru through which he identified an unusually large hotspot. This discovery prompted an expedition to central Peru in November 2011, where he sought to witness the boiling river firsthand. His journey took him to Mantuyacu, a remote healing center guarded by a local shaman. With special permission from the shaman, Russo was able to study the river's waters, which he found to have temperatures ranging from a scalding 120 degrees to nearly 200 degrees Fahrenheit. The riverbank's mud was so hot that it was impossible to walk on, and the water was capable of inflicting third-degree burns in less than a second. Shanaitamapishka, the boiling river of the Amazon, serves as a tributary to the Pachitia River, eventually merging with the Ucayali River, a significant tributary of the mighty Amazon River. It stands as the largest thermal river ever documented, stretching approximately 5.6 miles, with the lower 3.9 miles heated by geothermal activity. The river transitions from a cool jungle stream to a steaming thermal river, fueled by geothermal waters entering the stream through fault-fed hot springs. At its widest, the river spans nearly 30 meters, and at its deepest, it reaches depths of about 4.5 meters. Water temperatures can soar above 90 degrees Celsius, with the hottest spring on the river recorded at 99.1 degrees Celsius. The name Shanaitamapishka, meaning boiled by the heat of the sun, aptly captures the river's intense and natural thermal energy. Number 4. Sahara dust sustains Amazon's greenery. The Amazon forest and the Sahara Desert, while seemingly worlds apart in their characteristics and geographical locations, share a crucial ecological connection that underscores the interconnectedness of Earth's ecosystems. The Sahara, known for its vast and arid landscapes, and the Amazon, celebrated for its dense and vibrant rainforests, are linked by the transatlantic journey of dust. This phenomenon sees millions of tons of dust, laden with essential nutrients like phosphorus, being carried from the Sahara across the Atlantic Ocean to the Amazon. This remarkable natural process is made possible by wind patterns that transport the Sahara's nutrient-rich dust particles thousands of miles to South America, where they play a pivotal role in fertilizing the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon's lush vegetation relies on these nutrients for growth, as the region's soil is relatively nutrient-poor due to constant rainfall that washes away essential minerals. NASA's Cloud Aerosol LiDAR and Infrared Pathfinder satellite observation has provided data that helps quantify this transcontinental transfer of dust. On average, about 182 million tons of Sahara dust embark on this transatlantic journey annually, with approximately 27.7 million tons of this nutrient-rich dust settling over the Amazon basin. This input is vital for replenishing the soil nutrients lost to leaching and runoff, thereby supporting the forest's dense vegetation and diverse ecosystem. The remainder of the dust continues its journey, with an estimated 43 million tons depositing over the Caribbean Sea, further illustrating the extensive reach and impact of this natural phenomenon. This fascinating exchange not only highlights the importance of the Sahara's dust to the Amazon's ecological health, but also the intricate and global nature of Earth's environmental systems. Number 3. Macaws. Nestled within the heart of the Amazon, the habitat of at least 17 diverse species of macaws underscores the region's rich biodiversity. These Central and South American rainforests are home to these exceptionally vibrant, long-lived, and long-tailed parrots, known for their elaborate social structures and unique dietary preferences. Among all parrot species, macaws claim the title of the largest, with the hyacinth macaw being the most imposing, stretching approximately 3.3 feet from beak to tail feather and flaunting a wingspan close to 5 feet. These majestic birds thrive in the Pantanal and Amazon basin regions of Brazil, captivating observers with their size and the kaleidoscope of colors their species exhibit, from the shimmering blue and gold to the striking green and red hues of their plumage. Macaws are distinguished not only by their size and color, but also by the unique facial feather patterns as individual to each bird as fingerprints are to humans. If you ever wander through the Amazon's lush expanse and hear a cacophony of screeches and squawks, chances are you're near a group of these sociable birds. Macaws are known for their loud calls, which serve essential functions in their survival, including facilitating identification and communication among flock members and marking their territory. These remarkable birds embody the complexity and vibrancy of the ecosystems they inhabit. Their diets, which may include a variety of fruits, nuts, seeds, and even clay from riverbanks to detoxify their food, highlight the intricate relationship between these parrots and their environment. The strong bonds they form, communal living, and sophisticated communication strategies are a testament to their complex social behavior. Thus, in the echoing squawks and the vivid flashes of color that punctuate the green canvas of the Amazon, the macaw stands as a symbol of the wild, untamed beauty and intricate ecological webs that define this tropical paradise. Number 2. Amazon's healing treasures. The Amazon rainforest, often dubbed as the planet's lungs, is not just a bastion of unparalleled biodiversity, but also a repository of potential medical breakthroughs. Its dense foliage and vibrant ecosystem are home to plants with unique therapeutic properties, many of which have already paved the way for life-saving medications. Among these botanical treasures, the Pilocarpus microphyllus, commonly known as jabarandi, stands out for its critical role in eye health. This modest shrub is a source of pilocarpine, an alkaloid capable of treating glaucoma by reducing intraocular pressure, thus offering a beacon of hope for those afflicted by this eye condition. Another noteworthy example is the ipecacuanha plant, or Psychotria ipecacuanha, whose roots are rich in emetine, a substance known for its emetic properties. For centuries, ipecacuanha has been a cornerstone in the treatment of various gastrointestinal disorders, serving as both an expectorant and a remedy for respiratory conditions. Its ability to induce vomiting has made it invaluable in purging toxins from the body, showcasing the Amazon's role in traditional and modern medicine alike. Moreover, cocoa, with its origins traced back to the Amazon, exemplifies the intersection of nutrition and medicine. Beyond its widespread appeal as a food ingredient, cocoa is recognized for its health benefits, including cardiovascular protection, cognitive enhancement, and mood elevation. These attributes highlight the importance of natural compounds in promoting well-being and preventing disease. Despite these remarkable contributions to medicine, it is crucial to acknowledge that the Amazon's vast expanse remains largely unexplored in terms of its pharmacological potential. With only a small percentage of its plant species studied for their health benefits, the rainforest continues to hold untold secrets waiting to be discovered. Number 1. Silken Spider of the Amazon Forest. In 2003, Troy Alexander stumbled upon a peculiar sight in the rainforest, a unique web structure that soon gained notoriety online as Silkhenge. This discovery baffled experts and ignited widespread curiosity, with many speculating about its origins and purpose. Theories ranged from it being a type of fungus to a clever hoax, but a dedicated team of scientists and entomologists was determined to unravel the mystery, suspecting spiders were the architects behind this enigmatic construction. Embarking on a research expedition into the heart of the forest, the team was astonished to find not one, but over 45 similar structures scattered along their path. They embarked on an exhaustive study, observing the Silkhenges day and night, and even dissecting some to gain deeper insights. Their efforts confirmed that spiders were indeed the creators, a revelation that led to numerous findings. Surprisingly, some of these Silkhenges contained a single spider egg, challenging the common spider behavior of nurturing their offspring in clusters. This solitary egg arrangement was unprecedented and left the team puzzled about the species of spider responsible. Despite their extensive research, the creator remained a mystery. The structure's design, featuring a central tower encircled by a silk fence, proved to be an ingenious defense mechanism against ants. The sticky silk effectively trapped ants, while the separation between the fence and the tower deterred ants from reaching the central egg, safeguarding the spider's progeny from predation. Further observations revealed that these architectural marvels were exclusive to successional forests, environments rich in trees and bamboo, indicating a specific habitat preference. The discovery of a similar structure in Ecuador expanded the geographical scope of this phenomenon, suggesting a broader distribution of these skilled spider architects within select forest types.